And go. That is so cool. Don't let it burn you. Feel it. No, I don't want to get burned. It's not hot. Feel it. But it's got the hydrogen. Does it hurt? No. Look at it. Keep going. Keep going. Hot water. Want hot water. It's not hot. Look at it. Elephant's toothpaste. Is it gonna stop, or is it just gonna like fill up into the sink? Smells like lemons. She got a lemon. That is so cool. Alright, how can we make it not like make it just come out little by little? Put less yeast in it? Probably. You know, I'm still videoing this, right? Oh, okay, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Okay. So you can stop it now. Can I put it on YouTube? Yeah, good. Stop it. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.